Hi guys, welcome to Perfect Lean Body. I have ready for you great abs workout. It's gonna be only few exercises, but you will definitely feel it. So 4 exercises, you complete 30 reps of each exercise. And you can do this round you can do 3 times or more if you feel, but you will definitely feel your core because it's super awesome, effective. Please like it, share it, subscribe so everybody can work out with us, and let's go for it. Let's do it. So you lie down like this. You lift up your hips up, okay? You lift up your arm and you go down and up, down and up. Modification is that you put your leg down and you drop your hips all the way down and lift and squeeze your glutes and keep your core tight. And let's go 30 times. 1, lift, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's go 10 more. 10, and I feel the burn. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more. Woo, last one. Excellent job. I feel it, feel it. Second exercise, you go up and you bring the knee in and reach, in and reach. And let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more, and last one. Excellent job. Perfect. Let's switch. Let's go on the other side. Whew. And it's absolutely great because I feel tightening, strengthening my abs so much. Great job. Let's go up. Lift up your arm and drop your hips down and up. 30 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's go 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 more, 2, and last one. Great job. Excellent. Perfect. Now lift and crunch. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more. Last one. Great job. So this is very fast, very quick. It's just 1 round and you definitely feel it. So try to complete 3 rounds or 4 rounds and you will be amazed how you strengthen your abs, because I already feel it. So like it, share it, subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.